Hi, let's learn about the inequalities. As well as the familiar equal sign, it is also very useful to show if something is not equal to, greater than or less than. These are the important signs to know. When two values are equal, we use the equal sign. Example, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. When two values are definitely not equal, we use the not equal to sign. Example, 3 plus 2 is not equal to 8. But when one value is smaller than another, we can use a less than sign. Example, 4 is less than 7. And when one value is bigger than another, we can use a greater than sign. Example, 9 is greater than 3. To remember which way around the less than and greater than signs go, just remember the less than sign looks like a letter L, isn't it? So you can easily remember the letter of the first letter of less than sign. Since there are only two signs in total, less than sign is this and the greater than sign is that. Example, 11 is greater than 7, or the other way around, 7 is less than 11. It is that simple. Sometimes you know that a value is smaller but may also be equal to. Example, the maximum weight allowed inside an elevator is 500 kg. So what is the total weight of the people inside an elevator? It could be 500 kg or it could be less than 500 kg. So until we measure it, all we can say is less than or equal to 500 kg. To show this, we add an extra line at the bottom of the less than or greater than symbol like this. The less than or equal to sign, the greater than or equal to sign. Here is a summary of all the symbols. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 plus 2 is not equal to 5. 7 is greater than 2. 5 is less than 9. Candies are greater than or equal to 1. Trees are less than or equal to 4. And we call things like that inequalities because they are not equal. Then why would you use these two? Because there are things you don't know exactly but can still say something about. So we have ways of saying what you do know, which may be useful. Here is an example. Sam had 7 candies and ate some. How many does he know? Answer. He must have less than 7. If Sam still has some candies, we can also say he has greater than 0 candies. I mean, candies greater than 0. But if we thought Sam could have ate all his candies, we would say candies greater than or equal to 0. We can sometimes say 2 or more things on the one line. Example, in school days in US, the school zone speed limit of a vehicle, let's say the speed limit of a car is 25 miles per hour. So how fast that car went? Answer, something greater than 0 mile per hour and less than 25 miles per hour, but not 0 mile per hour and 25 miles per hour. This can be written down in just one line. 0 mile per hour less than what car speed is less than 25 miles per hour. That says that 0 mile per hour is less than what car speed is. In other words, what car speed is greater than 0 mile per hour and what car speed is also less than 25 miles per hour. Then most importantly, notice that greater than was flip over to less than when we put it before what car speed is. And always make sure the less than sign looks like a letter L. Here is another example using greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. Let's say Fatima went to the doctor because she was not feeling well. The waiting time to see the doctor is greater than 4 minutes but less than 10 minutes. How long will she be waiting? Answer. Something greater than or possibly equal to 4 minutes and less than or possibly equal to 10 minutes. Fatima waits greater than or equal to 4 minutes. Fatima waits less than or equal to 10 minutes. This can be written down in just one line. 4 minutes less than or equal to Fatima waits less than or equal to 10 minutes. One more example. What is x plus 3 when we know that x is greater than 11? Start with, if x greater than 11, then x plus 3 greater than 14. Imagine that x is the number of people at your social media group. If there are more than 11 people at your group and 3 more arrive, then there must be more than 14 people at your social media group now. Summary. To put your new knowledge into practice, try the your turn questions below.